Hello, my loves. Welcome back for another video. Thank you, Lumi, for sponsoring today's video. It is becoming that time of year where we need to start prioritizing our hygiene a little bit more because it's sweaty girl season. But I like to call it hot girl season because for me, I just never let the heat affect the way I feel, and I am always on top of my hygiene. I also wanted to make this video a little bit about the gym because honestly, guys, it has been the main focus of my life, and I like to do videos on things that I'm currently doing all the time. So although this can be interchanged for a hot girl summer hygiene routine, I am going to be making this my gym hygiene routine because it is what I do to keep myself in tip-top shape when I'm at the gym. So this is definitely a high maintenance girl routine, but I'm gonna be giving you guys my secrets, my tips and my tricks for keeping my hair, skin, body, and everything in tip-top shape when I'm at the gym, when I'm sweating, and when I'm exerting myself. So if you guys wanna hear a little bit about that, then keep on watching. So I have my gym bag here for you guys because I want to show you guys today's sponsor, which I keep inside of here because when I go to the gym, I want to make sure that I'm always smelling fresh. So we are going to be discussing Lumi, which is my new favorite line for keeping my body smelling incredible when I'm at the gym. First and foremost, I don't know where this brand has been my entire life. I am so flippin' obsessed. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit of a skeptic in the beginning because I sweat and sometimes I just feel like there's really nothing that can hide that or make it more comfortable for me. So this is the whole body deodorant invisible cream in minted cucumber. I like to take a little bit of this in my hand and I will put it between my legs. When I'm working out, I tend to just sweat a little bit more, especially when I'm doing cardio and especially when I'm doing any type of range of motion that involves sitting or squatting or whatever, and wearing spandex and things like that is just going to naturally make you sweat. So what I absolutely love about this product is it is going to prevent odor all day long. So if you're a little bit self-conscious about odor in any part of your body, which this is for your pits, privates, and beyond, you can actually use this anywhere because it's safe for the skin and it's going to just prevent odor and make you smell good. It also does not stain your clothes. So it comes out, let me show you guys, it comes out white, right? And it rubs in clear. So you guys can see right there, completely rubbed in nice. It's aluminum free. It stops odor before it starts. This is a gym essential for me. I also love the wipes. They have these acidified deodorant wipes. These are the pH optimized to control odor. I love these. You can wipe yourself with these just to make sure that you can freshen up. They also have this stick, which is a toasted coconut scent, which smells amazing. I also will use this at the gym in between the legs or even like under the breast. These products are just absolutely wonderful. I am so obsessed with them and it is a staple for me when I know I'm gonna be sweating and possibly stinking, because one thing about me is I am the self-care queen, I'm the hygiene queen, and I am going to go anywhere, no matter where I go, whether it's the gym, whether it's the grocery store, whether it's me being home, I'm gonna smell good, and these are going to keep me feeling that way. So I'm gonna leave my link down in the description box and on the screen for you guys to get a little bit of money off. The Lumi starter pack is 30% off plus free shipping. You guys are gonna use my code Hailey5 for an additional $5 off at checkout. Definitely try it out if you are someone who's a little bit self-conscious and doesn't want to smell. This is a great way to completely get rid of BO and make yourself smell fresh and good no matter where you are at. Okay, so I have my gym bag here, guys. By the way, this is from Amazon and I will be linking it down below for you along with everything else that I'm discussing. This has 1,000,001 things in it, and I don't play about my hygiene when it comes to the gym. I will not allow myself sweating and exerting myself to let me fall apart, look and smell like crap. It's just not gonna happen. So this is the bag that carries everything I need to keep myself in tip-top shape. Of course, some of the things I do at home, but I wanted to at least show you guys the bag that I use to carry most of my stuff when I'm going to the gym. But we're gonna first talk about hair. So a lot of you guys ask about my hair and how I keep it looking so good. I will take pictures on Instagram and post them after a workout or post little clips of me working out, and you guys are always asking me, how do you not sweat out your hair? How does your hair always look so good after a workout? Why do you always look like, you just started when you ended your workout? And I get it. The questions are definitely lighting up my DM, so I'm going to answer them once and for all. First things first, I do not sweat out my hair as badly as maybe other people do. I definitely do not have hair that gets super poofy when I sweat. Now, when my hair does get super poofy is when there's like humidity present. So anything that's like a wet heat, that will affect me. But sweating, which I rarely do, I don't really sweat that much when I work out. Sweating really does not get my hair to poof out. So that's the truth. The second thing I want to say is I always have quick weaves in. You guys know I'm a protective style queen. I rarely ever have my hair natural, and when I do have my hair completely natural, I will blow it out, silk press it, and a lot of the times I will put it in a bun at the gym. I do not wear my hair down for the most part at the gym with a fresh silk press. It's just not what I do. I could, but I don't. I just choose not to because I want it to look as good as possible. So that's normally what I do, but quick weaves will definitely be your best friend if you are dealing with some sort of issue with humidity or your hair poofing out or it not looking perfect. I like styles that are easy. I don't like to spend a lot of time doing my hair. I have the most minimal leave out and the rest is extensions. It's very easy to maintain and it doesn't get affected when I work out. Now, when it pertains to my leave out, I am going to put you guys on to the products I use. First things first, I have the Bumble and Bumble post-workout dry shampoo mist. This cleans and refreshes damp, sweaty strands. So what I do is I actually use this the day after I go to the gym or sometimes when I get home. And I literally just take it and spritz it along my scalp and the strands of my hair that are my leave out. Sometimes I'll even use it on the extensions, but I really don't need to because usually on the extensions, I will use the Beach Waver Second Chances dry shampoo. What I love about both these products is they allow me to freshen up without having to literally wash my hair. I can't wash a quick weave every time I work out. I work out 5 times a week. That wouldn't make sense and that's not good for the hair. So I like to use these two products to keep my hair fresh, to keep it smelling good, and to not allow it to look greasy or sweaty or disgusting or anything of the sort. I always look refreshed. I'm able to style my hair the next day like nothing happened and it's perfectly fine. These things have kept me looking refreshed. I worked out yesterday and here I am today looking fine with my straight silk pressed quick weave and I look fine, ready to go to the gym, and I'll probably leave the gym looking pretty similar if I'm being honest. So these products right here definitely are a lifesaver for the hair. Now, for all of my girlies with edges that curl out and you're afraid of, messing up a style, you maybe know you want to go out to dinner later that evening, you don't want to have to retouch up, headbands, guys. Headbands will really help. Now, of course, if you're like a crazy sweater, this isn't going to change that much. But what I love about headbands is they keep everything just kind of pressed down and fused to the head. So I will use these every once in a while when I know, like let's just say I'm going out to dinner with a girlfriend and I'm going directly after the gym and I don't want to have to flat iron my hair or do my hair at the gym after working out. I will wear a headband or a hat, and for the most part my hair is pretty protected during my workout. You just have to figure out different ways to protect your hair during your workout that allow you to sweat and move around without messing up the style too much. So this has helped me a lot. Okay, next up let's talk about body care hygiene because this is super crucial for me when I am going to the gym. I am a bougie bitch and I like to shower before and after the gym. I like to wash the day away. Hey, sometimes I'm running errands, sometimes I'm doing a couple things and I want to make sure I'm clean before the gym. I more than likely will shower every single time before the gym. Even if it's just a quick body shower, I will scrub my armpits, scrub my privates and everything and really get myself clean. Then this is huge for me, guys. As someone who's working out all the time now and suffers from acne, this Curology Acne Body Wash with 2% salicylic acid is incredible. I am noticing such a huge difference with my back already and I'm seeing it clear up before my eyes, which is amazing because summer's around the corner and backless dresses are back. So I am going to be having my back exposed all summer. Don't even think I won't. I literally just had a video taken the other day of me doing a back workout and I was looking at my back like, wow, it looks incredible. I have to say it's the Curology Body Wash mixed in with just making sure that I don't put my hair on my back too much and I cover it up, which I will talk about a little bit later. But you want to make sure that you are attending to any parts of the body that suffer from breaking out or rosacea or eczema, the things on your body that tend to flare up when you're sweating or working out. I definitely would suggest to treat that. As someone who deals with body acne, this is what I need to use, and I need to make sure that I'm not using products that are going to break me out, like specific lotions, oils, and creams. I cannot use certain things. When I know something doesn't break me out, I will use it. I'm obsessed with it. So knowing that, I make sure that I scrub my back every time after a workout with this Curology stuff, and I am noticing no new breakouts. Now, something that I keep in my gym bag that I'm obsessed with, and guys, like, I'm gonna put you guys on, even though everyone on TikTok is putting you on. This is the Canvas Beauty Body Glaze Pineapple Upside Down Body Cream Oil, whatever, from TikTok shop. I use it every single day, guys. Every single flippin' day I use this. I'm obsessed with it. I'm like, I can't even discuss it enough. First of all, it's very oily, so it dries into the skin like an oil, so it gives you a little bit of a sheen. I will use this fresh out of the shower, put it from my neck all the way down to my feet, and I make sure I tie my hair up because your hair touching it will make your hair greasy. That's how like oily and crazy it is. But as it kind of melts into the skin, it will create the most beautiful, not only aroma, it smells incredible, but it also makes your skin super hydrated. I make sure that I hydrate before and after the gym. I know that you're sweating and all of that, but I much rather sweat and have this being like secreting through my body than nothing at all. This smells so good, and it kind of like intensifies when you're sweating, and it smells good, it keeps your skin hydrated, it makes you feel good. I believe it's non-comedogenic. I'm not sure. I have to look into what these oils all are, but like certain oils are more comedogenic than the others, and for me, I have not broken out from this oil yet, and I use it every single flippin' day. And I like this smell. I know there's like debates on TikTok on which one smells the best. I prefer this one at the moment. Now, you guys saw earlier the Lumi products, and I am just so obsessed with them. What's actually in my bag that I'm truly obsessed with them is this Toasted Coconut Whole Body Deodorant for pits, privates, and beyond. I use this between my legs, and when I tell you, whenever I'm doing leg press, I catch a whiff of the toasted coconut smell, and I'm like, damn, I smell good. Like, there's something so amazing about this smell. Like, it is just so intense in the best way, and it is the perfect way to feel confident and comfortable in your skin when you know that you can produce an odor, especially when you're working out or sweating. This is amazing, and I'm obsessed with it. I really am. Like, this is like a game changer. Now, you want to invest in probiotics that help you with your urinary tract and also like from yeast infections and things like that, because when you're sweating, you could sweat down there and things like that, and it can cause those things. I have these Good Girl probiotics right here. I also love to take Ritual probiotics. There's a lot of different probiotics that you can take. These ones I think are more specific for your girl downstairs, which is why I like that. Help with urinary tract yeast infection. So if you are someone who gets a little moist down there and wants to make sure that you have everything hormonally balanced, this is the way to go. And it also helps you with internal odor. So if you're someone who has possibly like a body chemical issue and you want to kind of balance the smell, this is going to help. It neutralizes the scent along with chlorophyll, which is really great. I actually just ran out of chlorophyll recently. Now, when I get home from the gym and I wash my face, I use these Clean Skin Club Redefining Clean towels. So these are individual towels that you use when you wash your face, and I swear by these because as someone who does wear makeup to the gym and people always clock me for it, I feel like I don't break out from wearing makeup because of the way that I take it off and the way I put it on. First and foremost, you want to make sure that you're using things in your life that are clean, that are wiped down, that are not, you know, constantly harboring bacteria. And these Clean Skin towels don't, because you use one and then you throw it out. I know it's super terrible for the environment, and I can imagine that there's somebody who's environmentally friendly that's sounding off down below. So sorry, but I really love these a lot, and they're just amazing. Like, they have really helped me a lot with keeping my skin in check, and I feel like these have actually really changed the game for me when it pertains to removing my makeup at night. Like, there's just something really great about these towels. I'm obsessed, and I have them on reoccurring order on Amazon. Obsessed. Now, speaking of makeup at the gym, I want to put you guys on to something that I personally use that I think is hygienic and friendly for my girlies who don't want to clog their pores and have breakouts when they work out, but they still want a little bit of a coverage. This is the Typology Paris Vitamin C Tinted Serum. This is amazing because it's tinted. It's going to give you a good amount of coverage, especially if you have like rosacea, redness, hyperpigmentation, anything like that. It's going to give you more of an even tone. I will show you guys a clip of me using it because you guys will be able to see kind of how it blurs out the skin a little bit, and then you can kind of spot correct with concealer. Love, love, love this. I can do an updated gym makeup routine if you guys want. I always change it up, but I'm really obsessed with this at the moment. And then I also really love this Color Science. Pretty much it's a face sunscreen with a little bit of tint to it, and it's also sweat and water resistant. Great for the gym, great for working out. If you're gonna be outside, it's going to protect your skin from UV rays and any type of sun protection that you need, but it also gives you a little bit of a tint and coverage, so it looks really beautiful on the skin. And I really love this for my morning runs, and I will even wear this underneath my makeup. I don't care. I really love this a lot. This Color Science stuff is like the bomb diggity. And then for hygiene still, I actually have this Hygiene Skincare Antimicrobial Cleansing Mist. This is apparently supposed to really clean a lot of things around you. It literally says right here, this lightweight, gentle cleanser helps remove dirt, bacteria, oil, and makeup without stripping the skin. Free of chemical irritants and safe for all skin types. I like to spritz this on my face as a legit face mist. I also like to spray it on my phone when I'm at the gym. And I just love that it's an antimicrobial product, so it helps with keeping everything decently clean. And I really like this mist a lot. I'm obsessed with it. And then getting into fragrance a little bit. So you guys know I'm the fragrance queen and I love perfume. I love oils. I love things like that. If you're going to the gym, invest in a perfume oil. They don't have to be expensive. This one was probably like $10 at my favorite place, Perfumania. And you literally just roll it on the skin, and as you sweat, you're going to smell even more intense and more beautiful, which is why I love this so much. I go to the gym like I'm going to a fashion show. I think that I'm the bee's knees, and I just need to always smell and look my best. It's just who I am. So I love to have this on, but this is a great way to smell good and kind of give off a decent fragrance and aroma without being overpowering, and it just kind of mixes well with your pheromones and your skin. For all of my girlies who tend to have a little bit of discharge or wetness or are scared about a little bit of vagina sweat when you're at the gym, definitely invest in getting thin panty liners. They have panty liners even for thongs that you can wear to the gym. It's a really great way to keep yourself not feeling embarrassed or shame, even though I don't think you should. We should be able to sweat or secrete from parts of our body when we're working out. It is something that is natural. Get some panty liners. I have them just in case I'm a little bit extra juicy one day. Or I will also wear the really nice gym panties. They're also on Amazon, and I will leave the link down below as well. But I rarely ever wear them, but when I know I'm a little juicy, I will wear them. And that to me makes me feel a little bit more confident if I know I'm gonna have my legs spread and people could possibly be looking at me for whatever reason. And it just makes me feel more confident to get my workout sets done. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but if you do, then you guys have seen me wear this whenever I take pictures, and sometimes I leave it on. This is my fanny pack. Now, I love this for a multitude of reasons. Not only does this help keep my phone just close to me, but I don't have to put my phone on the dirty floor or on the dirty bench, and it keeps my phone clean throughout my workout. I use it, then I put it back in the pouch. I use it, then I put it back in the pouch. It never touches anything gross or dirty, which, the gym is filled with germs and chemicals and whatever. I like to keep the things that I know are gonna be on my face and in my hands close to me. So another reason to just be a little bit more hygienic and just get a cute little fanny pack. And who cares if it's giving old mom vibes? I think it's sexy in my opinion. Now let's talk about outfits, because this is really important. I know you guys notice that I wear long sleeves or boleros almost every time I go to the gym. Now the reason I do this is because not only do I like to compress this part of my body when I'm working out, I just do, but this is huge. I don't like to lean my back, which I know breaks out, on anything that could be like a bench or something dirty. I like my back covered, and I feel like this has really helped in aiding my healing of acne for my skin on my back. I love that my back is covered. I'm not worried about it getting dirty or having something on it. It also protects my hair from touching my back. So if I bring my hair to the back, it doesn't matter, it's not touching my back because I have a bolero covering my shoulders and my top portion of my back, which tends to break out, and I'm obsessed with these. These are also from Amazon. I wear them with every single fit that I do, and it just keeps everything in check and making sure that I have the best workout and my skin is protected and saved. I feel like that was quite simple, guys. What do you think? That is pretty much my entire gym hygiene routine and secrets that keep my hair looking nice, that keep everything fresh, that keep everything smelling good, and keep me clean and keep me from breaking out. I get to live a normal life, feel good in my skin, and still go to the gym, and it doesn't conflict with my life at all. Let me know down below what stuff you're gonna be purchasing or what stuff is going to be for you on this journey, because I know for me, I am the queen of wanting to smell good, look good, and feel good, and hopefully I put you guys onto something today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye everyone. Mwah.